Hey, yo, what's good, YouTube? So check it out. I did the battery experiment, all right? I wanted to see if I could fix my battery without wasting 250 bucks, 150 bucks at AutoZone. So right now I'm doing a live, like literally, like my first time cranking my truck since yesterday. Pull up on it. All right, let's see. This is the big moment. Let's see if he cranks. Oh, wait, time out. Time out. It's my fault. The dang battery is not connected. So come on. The battery was not connected. No, connect that battery. Come on. Look, it wasn't even connected. So look, I'm putting it back now. Maybe it ain't tight enough, but boy, she's still crank. Let's go. Pull up. All right, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. Let's see if my boy cranks. And so I had to tighten up the battery. So we're going to do attempt 2 of cranking it. This terminal was loose. Let's go. Wow. 3, 2, 1. Said, open this battery up, right? There should be some holes in it. Those holes will contain fluid. If it's too low, that means you got to add some more to it. Okay? What I also did, in order to check and see which cell was dead, I plugged this up, and when you charge it, the holes should boil. If they don't boil, then that means that they are dead. But you gotta wait, right? Wait and put it on 0.2 charge. Nothing major, nothing less. So look, man, what you need distilled water and Epsom salt, okay? It looks like this, and it looks like this. Distilled, okay? All I did was pour the water in like that. And come take a little Epsom salt. I did 1, 2, 3. All right, I did about 3 scoops. I mean, like salt-based scoops into the pot, right? And I heated it up. Do not boil it, gang. I repeat, do not boil it. Don't get it too hot. Just get it hot enough to melt the Epsom salt into the water. What you want to do is take just the distilled water, not the contraption we just made, but the distilled water, and pour it inside of those holes in there. Boom, boom, boom. Do not fill it to the top. Only fill it below the caps, okay? Below the caps. So save space so when you pour your electrolytes that you just made inside of the battery, okay? So boom, run it back in. Boom, 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 right? We just filled it up, but we kept space. And we're gonna come top it off with that motherfucking sauce. Is fill it up with your sauce. Right? Fill your cup up with the sauce, okay? Now that your battery is full of distilled water, because distilled water is good, you're gonna come top it off. Boom, 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 boom. Not too much, just enough for it to fill up, okay? And you gotta fill up, boom, 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 right? Because your battery was low on fluid, that's why it wasn't working. All right, gang? Next, what you wanna do, put this over here. What you wanna do is charge it up. Make sure you got it on a slow charge, right? Try to get that bad boy to 100%. Put your caps back on, right? Or even leave them off to see if they are bubbling, mainly. And then charge them up on a slow charge. 2.0 volts, right? Nothing major. Even if you gotta do like maybe like a 3 or 4, do not do nothing major. Don't do a 10, don't do a 20, don't do a 25. Just do a steady 2.0. You're getting charged up, restore back. Also, make sure you hit your desulfation mode. Do you see that button right there where it says desulfation? Right there. All right, gang? that right there, that's what break up all the molecules and all of the stuff, crap and toxins that's on the battery. So that way it's not caked up, right? It destroys it. And also what your Epsom salt does too is it goes in and eats that stuff away while giving you the electrolytes to keep going forward. All right, boom. Make sure that the battery percentage is getting higher and higher and not being stuck or showing too high. If it's showing way too high, bro, you cooked, right? It's not working. But if you're getting steady charge and it's going up bit by bit, charge it about 24 hours, maybe even 12 hours. But look, I have an ant eating me up right now. Boom, gang. After 24 hours of you charging it, getting what you just did, juiced up and giving it power, it should work. That's how I got my boy crank. All right? So come on, follow me. And give her another crank. So it ain't low. My truck was sitting there for about 5 days. I mean, I wasn't using it. It's just collecting dust, and I forgot to turn my battery terminal off. I forgot to unplug my negative terminal, right? And it got cold. And when it froze, I believe maybe it might have killed the cell or something. But this is how you rejuvenize the cell and get it back right. All right, guys. 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, so this proves you don't need to go to AutoZone and buy those expensive batteries. Just use a little Epsom salt and a little distilled water. You know what it is, but you don't know what it ain't. Peace and tranquility until next time. Bye-bye.